Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you love DIY crafting projects, you're gonna love these stamps by On-Airstore. So these are perfect for making greeting cards and doing scrapbooking. I love the variety of different stamps that comes with this pack. So some of my favorites are the different sayings. There's one that says, wishing you strength today and hope for tomorrow. There's also a may your day be filled with fun, love, and laughter. And a friends are the best gifts of all. So if you just want to send your friends a beautiful card with a nice uplifting saying, then this is the perfect pack. I also love that it comes with these different flowers and hearts and greenery so you can decorate the sides of your project. I especially love the big flower. I've used it in a lot of different cards in different ways, different settings. So these are awesome for DIY crafting projects. And that's my point of view.